Step into the 2009 Lexus IS 250. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 60,000-mile mark. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Lexus prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including front and rear reading lights, heated seats, front dual-zone air conditioning, turn signal indicator mirrors, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Lexus ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Call now to schedule a test drive.